This is going to be a video tutorial on how to prevent people from posting to your Facebook profile. I'll be using an Apple iPhone SE for this, but the steps should be very similar on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, the first thing you need to do is open up the Facebook app, of course. Then you will go down to your profile icon in the lower right hand corner and tap on it. Then you'll go to the settings icon, the little gear wheel in the upper right hand corner, and tap on it. Then from here you want to tap on profile settings. And then from here you want to tap on profile and tagging. And then right up here it says who can post on your profile. By default it's set to friends. I'm going to tap on it. Like I said, by default it's set to friends, but you can change it to only me, to where nobody else can post to your profile just by tapping on it. Now I am the only one that can post on my profile. That is how you prevent others from posting to your profile on Facebook. Thanks for watching.